Hello everybody, I am Morgan Christine, and today's video is an anxiety cleaning of my kitchen. I am just suffering with a lot of changes, and knowing that I am 6 months postpartum, a lot of anxiety. I'm hoping this video helps other mamas out there, and even dads, anybody that is suffering through anxiety or even depression and needing a boost to help them clean, or to at least get motivation, because you never know what somebody is going through. And I also want to shout out to my husband and for helping me with laundry and hanging back my whiteboard that I need, because we do homeschool. If you guys want content with like homeschooling and stuff, I would greatly be able to do that, and to kind of show you guys our routine and what we do. But I hope you guys like this video. Please leave your questions or even video ideas in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. Keep watching, and hopefully everybody gets motivated.
You think like that, I will love you endlessly. If you'd only believe in me, don't you be like that, I will love you forever. If you'd only believe in me, yeah. This is never gonna be any good for you or me. No, it's time to quit while we're ahead. No more tears I'm gonna shed, no. You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. I let you get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. Don't you think like that, I will love you endlessly. If you'd only believe in me, don't you be like that, I will love you forever. If you'd only believe in me, yeah. This is never gonna be only good for you and me. Oh, it's time to quit while we're ahead. No more tears I wanna shed, no. You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is, yeah. I'll let you get to me once now, baby, to let it go.
I hope you guys are liking the video so far, and also the music choices. And I'm just finishing up my stovetop. If you guys are wondering what I use on it, usually I use a mixture of water and bleach, and I also splash it a little bit of dish soap. It helps as like a degreaser on it. I like using bleach, not a whole lot, mainly in the kitchen, just because it sanitizes it and gets it all clean. And then I use a Windex. I like using the foam kind, the spray away, because it works a lot more better. I use it on my white appliances, and also like my glass style ones. I even use it on stainless steel, like the sink that you will see here in the video a little bit more. Stay tuned for more, and I will chat with you at the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and put that notification bell on as well. finishing up using a vacuum mop to do the rest, and then you'll see the after. You can see the sweat on my back because I was really sweating getting this kitchen done because it was actually pretty bad. You can tell by the water after it is done. Again, remember to subscribe if you like my content. Give me ideas also in the comments for videos and what you want to see. And remember to turn that notification bell on and like also. And why don't you tell me what your favorite season is before you leave also my video. Thank you and have a great week ahead.